Hi, Justine Evans here, hormone alchemist and seasonal wellbeing expert. I'm also a nutritional therapist and a registered naturopath, a homotoxicologist, and actually so much more. So, my last video was explaining the 13 Moons mentorship program in the first half cycle, the first half year of the course. So this video is explaining the second half of the course. So the first half, if you haven't watched my other video, relates more to the energetic aspect of 13 moons. We're doing a lot more moon energy, finding out numerology. We're working on the energetics plus the seasonal well-being. But this side of the course, this particular one, flourish and harvest, I'm calling it, this starts from May the 1st right the way through to Samhain, October the 31st. And this one is beginning May the 1st, 2025. Now you can sign up just for this aspect of the course if you want, or you can do the whole of my 13 Moons program, or if you prefer, you can just do the wintering and emerging course. So anyway, let me continue. So as the wheel is turning, the wheel of the year is turning, and we're working with warmer energy. We're connecting with the element of fire because we're coming into the summer season, and the course is turning into something a little more functional. We're still following the seasons. We're still eating seasonal food every month. I'm still going to be providing lots and lots of seasonal support, but we're becoming a little more functional, a little more Western in our approach right now. We're using things like nutrigenomics. I'm going to be offering you, first of all, we're beginning in May with an online webinar, and we're going to be talking about adaptogenic plants and supplementation, or at least nutrients that really support your hormones and your nervous system, and how these adaptogens are so important within our day-to-day life, living as we do in this age. So that's going to be a one-day webinar, and I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you, showing you how we can use natural foods and adaptogens to support your stress and your hormonal health. So we're going to be doing that. Then we're going to be moving on to nutrigenomics, and nutrigenomics is a fascinating subject. It's basically, it tells you who you are at cellular level, and it's using DNA. So I'm going to be offering you some a nutrigenomic test, and I'm going to be those results I'm going to be using to support you further a little later in the year. So there are actually going to be 7 tests that you can choose from, but I'm offering you one of those tests within this program. So you'll be doing a nutrigenomics testing, and we're also going to be doing our 3rd seasonal cleanse of the year, which includes hair analysis, and that's going to be using the abundance of Mother Gaia, and we're going to be flushing our whole system, doing a juicing cleanse actually, or smoothie cleanse. So I'm going to be offering you seasonal recipes. I'm going to be offering you hair analysis as well for environmental sensitivities, etc. So that's really working with that fire element. It's a very exciting quarter actually. So then we're going to be moving in slightly more into the element of water, and we're going to be bringing everything together that we've learned. So during this period of time, you're going to receive a personalised nutrition consultation with me and naturopathic consultation. I'm going to be considering and explaining to you the results of your nutrigenomics tests, and also the hair analysis that we will have done with the summer cleanse, or if you were on the complete program, I will also be considering the other 2 cleanses and hair analysis that we would have done in the wintering and emerging. So you're going to have a personal consultation with me, and I'm going to be writing you providing you with a dietary and lifestyle program which is very personalized towards you. This is really exciting stuff. And then we're going to be working with our final cleanse of the year, which is the spleen cleanse, or really it's more than a cleanse actually, because what we're doing is we're coming into the autumn season, and we're boosting our whole immune system and our spleen to support us as we're coming back into that wintering season. So I'm going to be offering warming foods then, again, seasonal recipes. And once again, there's going to be hair analysis as well. So we're bringing it all together. You also get homotoxicology, energetic remedies within my wisewoman box. You get naturopathic support within my wisewoman box as well. These are very exclusive things that only come within the way that I work. So, and finally, we're going to complete it as well with a one-day workshop, which I'm offering here. It's a practical workshop in Stroud, and I'm going to be showing you how to work with naturopathy. These are natural tools and techniques that I'm going to be showing you, working with the elements of water, because we're in the element of water, so think hydrotherapy, but we're also going to be working with fire element, and we're also going to be working with the air element and earth element. So I'm going to be showing you techniques. Now, for instance, this is really practical. Okay, we're going to be showing you how to do castor oil packs, how to apply compresses, how to make compresses, how to make poultices, when to use them, how to use them to support your health, how to use other things as well, water, hydrotherapy, so much more. And we're also going to be ending with some yoga nidra and some pranayama techniques. So we're bringing the whole thing together. And if this is calling you, which I really hope it is, then look below this video and it has more information and more links for you to be able to sign up to. There is a special offer if you want to sign up for my complete 13 Moons course. Otherwise, you pay per module, which is either wintering and emerging, or you're opting for this one, which is flourish and harvest. And so I look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care.